My friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we talk about the Bitcoin price prediction. If you are a holder, that video is very special for you, so watch this video with the end, friends. In this video we will show see the what's the price change goes in a Bitcoin, what's the currency status of Bitcoin, and what's the high price of Bitcoin in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hours. Let's start the video. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more latest news and updates. As you can see now on the screen, friends, the big explosion of the Bitcoin starts now. As you can see here at this time, that is the current status of the Bitcoin. That is the last 1 day price prediction you are watching now. The 1 day price change goes a very less. As you can see here, negative 1.5%. So maybe soon they are become a positive and they will make you a millionaire, a billionaire. As you can see here, the previous day they falling down continuously. But if we look the current status of the Bitcoin, so currently they are again started jumping upward. So absolutely a good news for all Bitcoin holder, because the Bitcoin start explosion in the last of this day. So friends, if we talk about the high price of Bitcoin in the last 1 day, so the high price of Bitcoin is about $58,662.5. Is the high price of Bitcoin in the last 1 day. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. What's the currently status of Bitcoin? As I told you in the start of this video that the Bitcoin explosion starts now. As you can see here, a high explosion occur in the Bitcoin. In the last 1 hour price prediction change is also in positive. 0.36% chance occur in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Bitcoin as $56,638.57 is the high price of Bitcoin in the last 1 hour. Absolutely a good change occur in the Bitcoin. Friends, what's your opinion about Bitcoin? Please share in the comment box, and also remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.